symbiosis, telepathy. Tired of learning so many new words? Let's find out a solution to it. I have a magical wand with which you can frame and comprehend the longest and the hardest words. What's that magic? Root words. We can comprehend the meanings of countless words through one single root word. Let's find out how. Our first root word is pathy. Pathy means emotion or feeling. As I told you, with one single root word we can frame innumerable words. So let's begin with our first word, apathy. Apathy means no feeling. How? The word comprises of A plus pathy, apathy. Whenever we add the letter A before a word, it converts the meaning into its opposite. Suppose it's feeling. No plus feeling means the opposite. The person has no feeling. There's absence of emotions, absence of feelings. Indifference. It's not necessary the person is cruel. It is neither good nor a bad feeling. Sympathy. Sympathy is to have a feeling of pity for someone. Let's see how. It comprises of two words, sim plus pathy. Sim means with or together and pathy means feeling. So, going along with the feeling means someone is sad, someone needs your help, someone is in pain. So, going with his feeling means we are feeling pity for that person. Another such word is empathy, which we generally confuse with sympathy. What is the basic difference between the two words is because of these prefix you can say, or you can say because of this root word em, which means in or go into. Here empathy means going into someone's feeling. What does that exactly mean? That means going into someone's feeling means assuming yourself to be at his or her place and then feeling what that person is feeling. Suppose I'm sad and you have gone through the same situation because of which I am sad today. So you will assume yourself in that same condition, same situation, and then empathize with me. Next word is antipathy. Antipathy comprises of anti plus pathy. Here anti means against and pathy means feeling. So it's a feeling of intense dislike or hatred. Which feeling will be against your feelings? Of course it will be a negative feeling. Something negative will go here. So negative means dislike or hatred. Our next word, telepathy. Tele means far and pathy means feeling. So telepathy means far away feeling. What do you mean by that? If I am feeling something, then someone else can feel for me that sitting far away without contacting me. That means communicating feelings from one person to another without any contact, from far away. Who has such a feeling for us? Yes, our moms. Our moms generally have a telepathy that their child is not well, even without contacting us, without being in touch. They just call us and ask, are you well? And we are not. You must have seen in our drama movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham that mother used to have a telepathy for Shah Rukh Khan that yes, he is about to return. Our next word is bio. Bio is such a root word with which innumerable words can be framed. Now let's begin with our first word, that is biology, the simplest one. It comprises of two words, bio plus logy. Logy means study and bio means life, so study of life. If the word is life plus study means life study. You can even make out the meaning this way, but we have to write, of course we will be writing study of life. Our next word is biopsy. This word comprises of bio plus opsy, which means life plus view of life. View of life means we are looking into something related to life, something of life. Here, what are we looking into? We are looking into a living tissue present in our body. Like sometimes during examinations, when we are having a tumor or cancer, the doctor examines a living tissue from our body under a microscope. And how he examines, he takes a view of that. He looks into that and finds out whether we have that particular problem. Now, next word is symbiosis. What does symbiosis comprise of? Sym plus bio plus sis. Sym means together or with, and bio means life, and sis means system. So this comprises of three words: together, life, system means life system living together, life forms living together. Simple, isn't it? So we also called it as mutualism. We all live in symbiosis. Means plants, animals, human beings, we live in symbiosis. Now the next word is biotic. Biotic comprises of two words, that is bio plus tic. Tic. Whenever the word ends with IC, generally you will find that it's an adjective. And adjective IC means relating to, something relating to the word which we have mentioned before, that is bio. So relating to life, pertaining to life, or relating to life, or life means living organisms. Next word is abiotic. Abiotic. Now biotic, I have already told you, means relating to life, but in last slide I told that whenever we add a before a word, it converts the meaning into its opposite. If biotic means living, then abiotic means non-living. So relating to non-living things. Next word is biosphere. Biosphere means life plus area. Sphere, yes, sphere also, we also know the meaning of sphere as a shape. Biosphere is an area of the earth where organisms live. Next word is antibiotic. Antibiotic means against plus life plus relating to. Why? Because biotic, I have already told, biotic means related to life. So against life, against related to life means something related to life. Can be anything, something against it. Yes, that means either we are killing that thing, we are against that thing. So here we are talking about a medicine to kill the microorganisms, or we can say a medicine to kill living organisms. Biography. Biography comprises of bio plus graphy, means graphy can be your writing or study. Here we are taking the meaning of graphy as writing. So life plus writing, an account of someone's life, written account of someone else. We have just added the root word auto before the word biography. That changes the meaning that this has been written by us and about us, about our own life. Microbiology. Micro means minute or small. Biology, as we have done, means the study of life. So microbiology means the study of microorganisms. Next, biodiversity. Bio means life and diversity means variety. So a variety of plant and animal life means biodiversity. Now the next word is tele. Tele means far or distant. It's the simplest word which we are going to do. But why have I taken this word? To make the concept of root words even more clear, so that you can easily make out how we can break a word, frame a word using 2 or 3 words. Let's see, tele plus phone. Telephone. We never think, why is it telephone? We simply know that this device is known as telephone. Why? Because tele means far, phone means sound, a device used to transmit sound over a long distance. Next word, telepathy, we've already done, quoting the example of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. You'll never forget. Yes, television. Tele means far and vision means see, a device used to see images from far away. Although we can see television from close, but those images are from far away. Next is telegraph, which means far plus right, means graph. We have done graphy word. Graphy was writing, and here we are talking about a device, so it is a graph. This is the difference. We were talking about graphy first, now it's graph. Graph means write, or you can say a device used to transmit and receive written messages from far away. Last word is teleport. Teleport is to port. To port means to carry or to transport. Port is a short form of transport. And what do we mean by transport? Means to carry. Okay, to carry over a long distance. To carry over a long distance or far away. Teleport. Hope the concept of root words is clear to you. But still, if you have any doubts, you may write in the comment section below. And as I told you that there are many words related to these root words, so it's your homework that you have to search for all the words which I haven't mentioned, which we can frame with these root words, and please mention those words in the comment section. Thanks for your precious time. Until our next video, keep exploring, keep sharing, keep smiling. I'll be coming up with many new root words, so stay connected.